Stop battling frizz with endless products. Meet your new hair hero, Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. So let's get straight into it. First things first, start with freshly washed damp hair. Next up, grab your Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. Make sure you spray it generously, section by section, so every strand gets some love. Now for the fun part. Grab your blow dryer and a brush. The heat activates the magic, locking in that glossy, frizz-free finish. You'll see the transformation happening right before your eyes. Look at that shine. My hair feels silky smooth and looks like glass. And the best part? This lasts up to 3 washes. So if you want to keep your hair looking fabulous with minimal effort, you've got to try Color Wow Dream Coat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more hair care tips and tricks. See you in the next video.